Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with Comrade. In this video, I am going to talk a bit on 7 C's of effective communication. As you know, communication is important, but effective communication is more imperative. So let us know that what is communication and what are those 7 C's of effective communication. The process of imparting or exchanging of information by speaking, writing, or using some other medium is called communication, or transforming information to a group or an individual successfully, that's called communication. And as you know, that language is the process of coding information or data. But here the question raises that what is effective communication? Effective communication is the ability to convey information to another effectively and efficiently. And why it is important? As you know that communication is essential social skills required for any individual to survive in the world. Effectively, communication ensures that you not only convey your message to someone but also let them know about your feelings and emotions. So let's get started about our own topic, that is that 7 C's of effective communication, like clarity, conciseness, concreteness, correctness, coherent, completeness, and courtesy. Why they are called 7 C's? Because all the words start with C letter. So let's discuss it one by one. The first one is clarity. Clear communication exists when the message received is the same as the message which the sender intended to send. In clarity, everything should be clear. The other should understand your words, your sentences, your body language. And the second one is conciseness. Concise in communication means to stick to the point and keep it brief. Tips for it are that take out the filler, write down your message, and then review it for conciseness. Keep it simple, don't make it difficult for someone, and the longer the update, the more likely it is that important details will be lost. Means you must talk shortly to the point and should be relevant to the topic which you are delivering to someone. And the third one is concreteness. Concrete communication implies being particular and clear rather than fuzz and general. Concreteness strengthens the confidence. The words or sentences that should be specific, true words, and accurate words should be used that no confusion remains. And the fourth one is correctness. Correct communication is error-free communication and it fits your audience. These are following points. Do the technical terms you use fit your audience level of education or knowledge? Have you checked your writing for grammatical errors? Remember, spell checkers will not catch everything. Or all names and titles spelled correctly. And correctness is like the sentences which are used by us. There should be exactness. The sentences or words should be valid and accurate. There should not be punctuation, spelling mistakes. So these all things you have to see before speaking, before communicating with anyone, with any person. And the fifth one is coherent. The term coherence refers to the smooth flow of ideas in a text. There are two main strategies that will make your writing coherent. The first one is ideas in a logical order, means organizing your ideas in a logical order, and the second one connecting them by using transition words and phrases. Transition words like therefore, hence, and consequently, rather. These all words are transition words. You can search it and Google it, just search that what are transitional words, so you will get many words. And the sixth one is completeness. Complete communication means that it should convey all facts required by the audience. The sender of the message must take into consideration the receiver's mindset and convey the message accordingly. A complete communication always gives additional information wherever required. Means your words should be completed. It should not be like this, that you don't complete your sentences or the information which you are giving, or it should not happen like this, that in the reader minds confusion remains. Means you have to clear your reader. You have to means there should be no confusion in the reader's mind. And the seventh one is courtesy. Courteous means that your message should be friendly, professional, considerate, respectful, open, and honest. To help ensure you are courteous, you should always use some empathy and consider your message from the point of view of the audience. Courtesy means like polite behavior and showing proper manners. That is called courtesy. For example, like you shake your hands politely with someone. When you meet someone, you say please and you use the sorry words. Now, what are courteous words? That are like please, you are welcome, and greeting a customer, I can help you with that. So these all words, there are many other words too. These all word comes in. So here is a picture for you. A baby girl is greeting to a old lady, good morning. So the now good morning word comes in courteous words. Greeting words comes like good afternoon, good noon, good morning. These all comes in courteous words. The same in another picture. A boy is offering a chair to a old lady and saying that have a sit please. The word please is what? Please is a courteous word. So there are many other words like sorry. These all comes in courteous words. But here I have a question for you, that why and when do we need effective communication? So share your views in comment section about this question. Your views will be highly appreciated. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.